Enjoy your listening experience with this gadget. Or what about this weird gadget? Well, stick around because in today's video, we will be showing you some very interesting gadgets on Amazon. All the links to the products are in the description below. iRobot Braava 320. Home cleaning is not an easy task, but with the iRobot Braava 320, things will be a bit more under your control. This super efficient floor cleaning robot can sweep your floors like a pro any time of the day. You just need to attach a disposable cleaning cloth to it, set Braava down, press either the sweep or mop button, and let it clean by itself. After the cleaning is done, you simply need to dispose of the cleaning cloth or wash the included microfiber cloth for later use. The robot comes with a North Star navigation system, which works exactly like an indoor GPS and projects a signal to determine its location in your room. When dry sweeping, this robot can easily cover up to 800 square feet area in a single cleaning cycle. Mopping, on the other hand, will clean up to 250 square feet per cycle. If you thought cleaning your floors is a difficult task, think twice now. Parrot Swing Drone with Flypad. Fly with more power than ever before with the Parrot Swing Drone with Flypad. This mini drone combines the tenacity of a plane with the ease of flight you get from a quadcopter. The result is an easy-to-fly device with complementary precision and power. Complete with autopilot and vertical takeoffs and landings, the Parrot Swing comes with its own Flypad controller. Mounting your smartphone on top, you can use the Flypad to achieve unparalleled control and accuracy with every flight. Use these skills to race your friends, or you can even power through an agility course with ease. Topping out at 30 kilometers per hour, the Parrot Swing uses its built-in sensors to stay steady as you whiz through the sky. Bang & Olufsen Form 2i headphones. Retain the ideal sound of your music while lightening your load with the Form 2i headphones by Bang & Olufsen. These on-ear headphones are super light and are available in 6 colors to capture your style. The Form 2i headphones produce a highly impressive stereo sound despite their compact structure, so all of your tunes will sound their best. Connecting to your device with the included cable, the Form 2i headphones also feature an inline remote and microphone so you can switch tracks, adjust the volume, and effortlessly take and end calls and immediately get back to your music. Iconic in shape and style, the retro chic design of the Form 2i headphones is part of a permanent collection at MoMA. iWalk Scorpion Ultra Slim Power Bank with built-in cables. Still bothered by various cables? No worries! iWalk Scorpion 8000 backup battery is coming. With built-in lightning, micro USB, and recharging cables, you can recharge Scorpion and charge most devices without carrying any cables. Built-in 3 cables MFI certified by Apple with pass-through technology can operate as one complete charging cable. USB port can accommodate any type of USB charging cable, not only micro USB or lightning, but also Type-C cables. Combine 3 cables and an 8,000 mAh battery with its extremely compact shape, you can enjoy maximized portability. Scorpion can charge the iPhone 6s 3 times, Samsung Note 7 1.4 times. Stylish, high-end, and luxury design rightly fits your fashion taste. Once you had Scorpion, you have convenience. iMobi 4 Apple Watch Nightstand Charger. Top up your devices while you recharge at night with the iMobi 4 Apple Watch Nightstand Charger. Featuring a charging dock at the top, this system places your smartwatch at the perfect viewing angle with a built-in cable holder. In addition, the iMobot 4 charger instantly puts your Apple Watch into nightstand mode so you never miss a thing. At the bottom of the iMobot 4 charger is a sleek stand to hold and charge your smartphone. Additionally, the back of this device features 2 USB ports. You can use one for your smartphone at the base and use the other port for additional devices. Star Wars Millennium Falcon Guide Lamp. Take a tour of the most famous starship every night with the Star Wars Millennium Falcon Guide Lamp. This massive lamp features a cutaway image of the legendary starship and is laser engraved while also providing a numbered guide to show you the parts of the ship inside. Measuring 8.5 inches wide and 9.5 inches tall, the Millennium Falcon Guide Lamp is the perfect size for any bedroom, especially for a Star Wars fan. Coming with its own remote, the Millennium Falcon Guide Lamp can be remotely powered on or off and even change its color to one of 16 different choices. The crystal-like acrylic has been custom cut to the Millennium Falcon shape and allows the light to be beautifully diffused so it can also function as a nightlight. Aluminum card reader for Type-C devices. Stay ahead of the technology curve with the aluminum card reader for Type-C devices by Satechi. Available in the signature Apple-friendly colors of silver, gold, space gray, and rose gold, this simple device attaches through your laptop's Type-C port and gives you access to a USB 3.0 port, as well as slots for your SD and microSD cards. Best of all, each of the features can be used simultaneously, so you can power through your work. Perfect for using your slightly older gadgets with your spiffy new laptop, the aluminum card reader provides instant convenience as it measures just inches in length. Insta360 Nano Spherical Video Camera. Change the way you relive your memories with the Insta360 Nano Spherical Video Camera. Attaching directly to your iPhone, the incredible camera captures your world in stunning 360-degree videos. Made for the iPhone 6 and 6S and the iPhone 6 and 6S Plus, the Insta360 Nano camera comes with a built-in lightning connector to easily slide into the charging port of your iPhone and remain secure as you film. With highly detailed 360-degree videos, you can immerse yourself in a virtual reality experience long after the action is over. Because everything is recorded right on your iPhone, you'll be able to share instantly and even live stream your content for your viewers, friends, and fans. Weighing just 70 grams, the Insta360 Nano can also be used without your smartphone and can store your content right on the device. Mabot STEM Robotic Toy. Create your very own magic robot with the Mabot STEM Robotic Toy. This DIY robot kit enables kids to use modular components to make robots and functions. Likewise, Mabot can perform unique functions including interacting with the environment, sensing the surroundings, moving, and more. Featuring a plug-and-play design, Mabot combines entertainment and education for children and adults to get creative and enjoy hands-on learning. Offering 4 sets of kits, each Mabot kit can be used to create different types of multifunctional robots. Kids can then use the Mabot Go and IDE app to control the robots and discover how to program them with extra functions. Furthermore, Mabot has 5 kinds of elemental balls, which you can remove or add without turning off the power. The app offers simple instructions to help you build your ideal robot from scratch and enable different functions. Vuze XR. Shoot with confidence using in-app video stabilization. Record videos with a resolution of 5.7K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second, and 4K at 30 frames per second. Records as MP4 with H.264 encoder for enhanced image quality. Take DNG and JPG photos at 18 megapixel resolution, giving you the ability to professionally edit your photos after taking them to achieve whatever result you desire. With the touch of a button, the Vuze XR goes from a 360-degree camera to VR 180 degrees, giving you unique ways to explore more and tell your story bigger and better. Change the perspective and adjust it to your audience. IKKO ITX05 All-in-One Docking Station. The ITX05 is the only interactive docking station which allows you to see the music. With 8K HDMI port, Type-C PD and data ports, USB 3.2 port, etc., it is the perfect companion for the latest laptops and MacBooks that have a limited number of ports and is both macOS and Windows Type-C compatible. It's also configured with IKKO joint-developed professional audio DSP chip and ESS flagship decoding chip, a new matrix display interactive technology, a suppressible front interface cover plate, and a large number of professional audio and expand the docking interface. All these features make it the most desirable workstation possible.